Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech.
And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new tokens on Phantom Wallet. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Phantom Wallet application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your Phantom Wallet account. Now at the middle of your screen, you can see the option of Manage Token List. Tap on that option. Now once you are here, you'll see various tokens. Now in order to add new token, simply you have to turn on the toggle beside each and every token that is given here. So for instance, I'm going to turn on this toggle for Polygon. Now let's go back and you can see that a new token has been added to my Phantom wallet. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to add new wallet on your Phantom wallet account as well. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.